This is a global energy industry special report. From Taiwan, China, a major clean heating shipment is now underway. This is Taishan Group in Taiwan, China, where a major shipment is ready to depart. 9 gas-fired hot water boilers, each delivering 116 megawatts. Together, they provide 1,044 megawatts of installed capacity. Destined for the Yantai Municipal Peak Shaving Heating Project. Built by Taishan Group, engineered in China to deliver dependable warmth to cities. This is the largest single-building gas boiler installation in China. Higher efficiency, lower emissions, winter-ready reliability. Engineered in Taishan, powering Yantai, delivering lasting value to partners around the world. Taishan Group, powering cities.